Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will solve some questions based on ratios that were asked in previous year examinations of IBPS, RRB, SSC, SSB and other competitive exams. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. First question is, find the compound ratio of 5:7, 15:14 and 98:75. So first is asked 5:7 and 15:14 and 98:75. Let's take the numbers on the left side that are 5, 15 and 98. Let's take them into a sequence and by multiplying them, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 98, and it will be divided by the numbers that are on the right side, that are 7, 14 and 75. Let's take these numbers in a sequence but below the line. So these are 7 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 75, that are equal to 5 multiplied by 15 is equal to 75, and this is multiplied by 98. That's our given, and then these are divided by the numbers that are below the line, that are 7 and 14. Let's first multiply these two numbers. That 7 multiplied by 14, these are equal to 98, and multiplied by the given number, that is 75. So here the 75 are same, so let's write 1, and here 98 are same, so let's write 1. Therefore now we will take the required ratio, that is 1:1. This was the simplest trick to solve this follow. Now let's solve this question. An amount of rupees 975 is distributed among A, B and C. What's the total amount? It's 975. Rupees 975 is distributed among A, B and C in the ratio of 5:7:13. What is the share of C? By the following ratios and according to this amount, we need to find the share of C. So first let's know how it is distributed. It's distributed like this. This A, this B and this is C. This has got the ratio of 5, 7 and this has got 13. So what is the total amount of ratios here? The total amount of ratios is 5:7:13. So we'll write in addition 5 plus 7 plus 13, which is equal to 25. Now we need to find the share of C, so let's take the ratio of C, that is 13. Here we will take the ratio of C, that is 13, and divide it with the total number of ratios, that is 25, and then multiply it with the total amount, that is 975. Now let's take it. It's 25. Ones are 25 and 25 and 25. Threes are 75. The remaining will be 22. The remaining will be 22 and then 5 will pass. Then it will become 225. After that 25 nines are 225. Now let's cut these terms as we have solved these. Now the remaining numbers are 13 and 39. Let's take 13 and 39 and then multiply these. The answer we get is rupees 507. Here B part is the correct answer for this by the simplest method that I told you. Let's solve this question. In this question, the ratio of the money with Sita and Geeta is 3:4 and that with Geeta and Guddu is 4:5. If Sita has rupees 300, how much money does Guddu have? It's asking for the money with Guddu. So to get the money with Guddu, we first need to know that how it's distributed. It's distributed like this. Sita, Geeta and Guddu. Sita has the ratio of 4. Sita has the ratio of 3. Geeta has the ratio of 4 and Guddu has the ratio of 5. Now the amount of money with Sita is equal to rupees 300. It's here. But how? We need to find the answer for this. How? To get the answer, we just add a variable to these numbers, these ratios. That's x, x and x. After adding a variable, it will become 3x, 4x and 5x. As we know that Sita is rupees 300, so her ratio is 3x and 3x is equal to 300. It's here. Now we need to get the value of x. To get the value of x, we just take the 300 and divide it with the ratio of Sita. That's 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 hundreds are 300. The value we got for x is 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100. Now similarly, we can use this rule to get the amount with Geeta and Guddu. But it's asking for Guddu, so without wasting time, let's go for Guddu. So what's the amount of money with Guddu? It's 5x. It's here, which is equal to 5 multiply the value of x that we got is 100, so multiplied with 100. The answer we get will be rupees 500. So we got the answer for this question. It's here. Part C is the correct answer for this. It was the simplest trick to solve this question. If you really like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Baby with you, and